Are you struggling to reach your customers when they're most engaged? It can be hard these days. Your customers are busy people who spend more than 3 hours a day on their phones. They're on their phone while they're eating breakfast, while exercising, while watching television. SMS is a great way to reach your customers. But you can't just text them willy-nilly. Your customers respond more positively to messages that are relevant to them. They often read new text messages almost instantly after receiving them. You need to know who your customers are and what their preferences are. ActiveCampaign makes it simple to send text messages to your customers when they're most likely to engage. You can easily personalize text messages to ensure they are relevant and well received by your customers. Engage your customers with SMS using ActiveCampaign. Treat every customer like your most important.